Maria, who was determined to boost her credit score and make her dream of owning a home a reality. Maria was a hardworking nurse who had always been responsible with her money. She paid her bills on time, avoided taking on too much debt, and saved money for emergencies. But despite her efforts, her credit score was lower than she wanted it to be. This was a concern for her because she had been saving for years to make a down payment on a house, and she knew that her credit score would be a major factor in getting approved for a mortgage. Maria didn't let her lower credit score discourage her though. She did some research and spoke with a financial advisor to develop a plan to boost her credit score. She knew that it wouldn't be easy, but she was determined to do whatever it takes to achieve her. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I want to share a story about a woman named Goal. The first step Maria took was to check her credit report for errors. Sometimes, credit reports can contain errors or inaccuracies that can negatively impact your score. Maria carefully reviewed her credit report and found a few errors that needed to be corrected. She contacted the credit bureau and was able to get the errors removed, which gave her credit score a small boost. The second step Maria took was to pay down her credit card balances. High credit card balances can negatively impact your credit score, so Maria made a plan to pay down her balances as quickly as possible. She started by paying off her smallest balance first and then used the money she saved on that payment to pay down her next smallest balance, and so on. By making extra payments and being strategic with her payments, she was able to pay off her credit card debt faster and boost her credit score in the process. The third step Maria took was to set up automatic payments for her bills. Late payments can also negatively impact your credit score, so Maria made sure to set up automatic payments for her bills. This way, she wouldn't forget to make a payment and wouldn't have to worry about late fees or negative marks on her credit report. The fourth step Maria took was to become an authorized user on a family member's credit card. Becoming an authorized user on someone else's credit card can help boost your credit score if they have a good payment history and low balances. Maria's sister added her as an authorized user on her credit card, and Maria made sure to use the card responsibly and make payments on time. This helped boost her credit score even more. The fifth and final step Maria took was to be patient and persistent. Improving your credit score takes time, and Maria knew that it wouldn't happen overnight. She continued to make on-time payments, pay down her debt, and use her credit responsibly. And eventually, her hard work paid off. Her credit score increased enough to qualify her for a mortgage, and she was able to buy her dream home. Looking back, Maria knew that boosting her credit score wasn't easy, but she was glad she did it. Not only did it help her achieve her goal of buying a home, but it also gave her peace of mind knowing that she had a good credit score. She continued to use her credit responsibly and took pride in knowing that she had control over her financial future. So, if you're struggling with a low credit score, take a cue from Maria and take action. Check your credit report for errors, pay down your debt, set up automatic payments, become an authorized user, and be patient and persistent. With hard work and dedication, you too can boost your credit score and achieve your financial goals.